out of gas. But wait. Hey guys, today we're making a furnace. Right, now we've got a galvanised bucket here. We've got some concrete inside. You can take a look. Now in here, to get this, what you do is you pour the concrete in, put a plastic bucket inside, let it set, peel the bucket out, and that's what you get. About 2 inches of concrete right round. And once you get that done, drill a hole straight through there, enough for this pipe to go in like that. Alright, then with the lid, same deal. Get a plastic bucket, put some concrete in the bottom of it, put some handles in it while it's wet, and then let it set, peel it out of the bucket, smash a hole in the top, and you got yourself a lid. And it sits in just like that. Alright, so then you get a fire extinguisher canister. Doesn't matter how old it is. Alright, looks like that. Cut the top off it. Then you get some coals and place it around the bottom, like so. Like that. Put it in the middle, and then start stacking them around the sides, like that. Getting out of the way. Something like that. And then what you do is we want to melt shit in the furnace. So we've got some old bullets over here. Old bullet shells. Put them in. Like that. Bang your lid on. And then get our pipe. A bit of foil. Show that in there like that. So it gives it a bit of a seal. And then over here, I made this myself. Comes off the gas tank. Put it in here like this, in this hole on the side. You switch her on, and then you got a compressor. And you run your air through here like this, real slow, and it will heat the whole thing up in no time. And once you've done that, come over here. And because I'm the trash man, it's all made out of trash. So we got some old foam, made a template, and we glued some little foam straws on it. And what you do is you get a bucket of sand like this. It can be beach sand, anything. You dig it down about halfway and you bury it. No, it's not working, is it? Alright. It should work. And then just get this, pour it all in. Alright. And that is our mould. And that's our mould. So now what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up, melt the brass, and pour it straight into our mould. Alright, on here I've got 2 safety valves that we can turn off at any time if there's an emergency. Up here I've got another safety valve, and up here I've got a safety regulator which tells me if there's a leak it will shut itself off, and that's what you want. Okay, so here we go. Give it a bit of let's do this. Turn this on. Okay, like that, right? And you stick that straight in there like that. Alright, turn that off. When we get our air, pushes the air. Hot enough for you? We got it going. Getting there. Getting there. Look. A little bit more. It's like jelly at the moment. Just needs a bit more. as you can see in here, it's melted, but it's gone hard. For some reason, that's all we got. A dud run. So it's going to have to go back to the drawing board, and we're going to have to try again at a later date. But you can see, right, how it's set up, how it works, and how it operates. So the thing is, with the PSI, you want to make sure that it's on 20 PSI. You've got to get your mixtures right. And with the gas, make sure you got safety valves. But for some reason, she just won't come out. It melted. What can we do? Back to the drawing board. Sorry guys.